Hello dear learners, this is Dr. Sedhupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of operating system. So it going to be just an idea about what operating system does, what operating system can do, what are the basic functionalities of an operating system. Yes. So agenda for today's discussion will be like what is an operating system, computer system structure, 4 components of a computer system, what operating system can do, and operating system definition, and how computer startup by using operating system. So what actually an operating system is? It is a program that acts as an intermediary between user of a computer, which means human beings who are all using computers comes under user of a computer and the computer hardware. So which means operating system is an interface between hardware and the users through system basic application programs. So next, the goals of an operating system is like it actually executes user programs. It may be web application, or it may be a calculator, or it may be a simple applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and or it may be applications installed in the computer. It actually executes the user programs and makes solving user problems easier, make the computer system convenient to use. Use of a computer hardware directly is not possible, so you have some different type of application in such a way that the user can make use of hardware component in an efficient manner. And what is computer system structure? Computer system basically can be divided into 4 components, hardware, operating system, application programs, and users. What hardware actually contains? It is the basic resources a computer has. It may be a motherboard, it may be a memory part. Memory further can be divided into main memory, secondary memory, and so on, and input output devices and central processing unit. And here is the main purpose, what we are here is operating system. It actually controls and coordinates the use of hardware among various application programs which are actually installed inside the computer. And application programs may be user applications. Through application programs only users are doing multiple tasks, multiple programs. And finally user may be sometimes machine, sometimes people, and sometimes maybe other hardware components. And here is the basic structural diagram of components of a computer system. There is a computer hardware and there is an operating system. Operating system actually acts an interface between computer hardware as well system application programs. There are list of system application programs like compiler, assembler, text editor, database system, and so on. And what operating system can do actually? So basically it depends on how we are looking. Operating systems functionalities may differ by means of looking from user. It differ when you're looking from hardware point of view. It differ when you're looking from basic system applications. This is what actually we are going to discuss in this slide. So user want to convenience, easy of use, and good performance. Users basically never consider about what are all the resources they are utilizing, right? So SAD computers such as mainframe or mini computers must keep all user happy, but user doesn't know what happens beyond operating system, or what happens beyond the different resources, or beyond different type of hardware components. Users of dedicated systems such as workstations have dedicated resources, but frequently use shared resources from servers. And while coming to handheld computers, actually when a user uses a handheld computers like laptops or iPads, the resources are very minimum. Even we can say like it is very poor, optimized for usability and battery life. They are actually optimized for battery life, and some computers have little or no user interface sometimes. We can say examples like embedded computers. Those are actually devices which are installed in a automobile components or automobile machineries. And the next point is we supposed to discuss is definition. Actually, operating system is a resource allocator. It actually allocates the different type of hardware components to users. Users are nothing but human beings and machines. It actually manages all the resources, which controls what are all the hardware components connected with that particular computer, decides between conflicting requests for efficient and fair resource utilization. It actually controls the program. Programs are nothing but applications which are installed inside the computer, which controls the execution of program to prevent errors and improper or misuse of computer. And further, sometimes there is no universally standard accepted definition for operating system. It varies by how we are looking at it. As we discussed earlier, when you're looking from user point of view, it differs. When you're looking from hardware point of view, it differs. When you're looking from application oriented view, it differs. So everything a vendor ships when you order an operating system is good approximation, but varies widely. The one program running at all the times on a computer is called kernel, which is the core of an operating system. Everything else is either a system program or an application program, or the applications may be differ by means of the type of hardware components connected with that computer. And the computer startup, when you're starting a computer, what actually starts first? It is the bootstrap program, which actually started when you power on, when you switch on the power of your computer. Bootstrap program is loaded at the power off or reboot, typically stored in ROM. ROM is nothing but read-only memory, or in EEPROM, generally known as firmware. It actually initializes all aspects of systems. After that, it loads operating system kernel, and then by means of kernel, it starts execution. Thank you for dear learners for your patient listening. I will look forward you with another concept. Thank you once again.